Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will explore fabric as a material. Here you can see I took 4 different pieces of fabric. Then I will take threads, different type of needles, scissor, some colorful thread and some different type of fabric. Here we will try to manipulate fabric as a material. We will see its limitations and possibility. I am going to cut it in straight, and fabric can be cut in organic shapes also. So that is good part of this material. So first we will see sieving technique. For sieving we need 2 different pieces of fabric, or many more pieces also you can sieve very easily. So this is very common type of sieving, that is running stitches. In running stitches also you can get various types of textures, various types of patterns. You can see difference between 2 different type of stitching. Basically you can play with thread, needle and that particular piece of fabric. Here I am just playing with distance, and you can see the effect also after sieving. Here you can see some different type of stitches. It can create some good patterns. Basically you have to explore that material, then you can get different type of patterns and textures by using this stitching technique, sieving technique. Here also you can see different type of stitching. So by using stitching and manipulation of fabric, you can create various type of shapes and various type of forms. Here this form is looking like rabbit ear. Then folding technique is there. You can play with folding technique. Folding technique is also allow different types of forms. You can tie that particular fabric. You can create good shapes out of it. So after manipulation and exploration, it's time to make some product out of this fabric. So here I took one piece of cloth, one rectangular piece of cloth, and I am trying to make mask out of this piece of cloth. So here I am using folding technique and stitching technique. With the help of 2 basic technique, we can create a good mask which will be useful for your day-to-day life. So here you can see I just fold that particular piece of fabric in 2 parts, and I make that foldings permanent at end of the fabric by stitching. Then for holding purpose, I am using 2 elastics that I will stitch at 2 corners of that particular piece. You can see that part. That particular fold will give you a embossed effect. It will not now it is not a flat piece of fabric. It is giving us a 3rd dimension which will accommodate our face neat and cleanly and perfectly. So you can see our mask is ready. So here I am trying to make another different type of mask. In previous mask we have used only one piece of fabric. Here I am using two pieces of fabric, and by cutting technique and by stitching technique I am trying to create a perfect mask for day-to-day life. You can use that particular mask in your day-to-day life. So these are two pieces of fabric, and just we have to stitch that particular piece of fabric on that curve part. So here also I am using running stitches. At the end we have to tie it properly. You can see that form is giving us opportunity to hold on our nose. Here also I am applying two elastics. And after attaching that elastics, that mask is ready to use. You can see. So our mask is ready. So thank you guys. Stay safe. Stay home.
BRDS has the highest selection at NIFT as compared to any other coaching classes in India. 100% result assured, India's #1 design entrance coaching institute, highest selection across India, 6,608 BRDS students selected in NIFT since 2008, 1,532 BRDS students selected in NIFT 2021. Thank you.